And the more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
It's like perfect here. There they are, dude. The skis, the trays. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. We're on skis, man. We're going sideways.
It gets easier.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. Before we start today's video, I just want to say it is super cold. It's like minus 14, minus 15 right now. We are headed out to meet some guys that you guys probably remember in some of the old drift videos. We're meeting up with some of those guys and seeing if we can still pull some skids with all the snow on the ground. If you guys aren't used to sliding in the snow, you're basically driving on ice, so you don't have any traction. But nevertheless, we're gonna go ahead and check it out, and hopefully I can get some good shots for you guys, because we haven't done this in a while. And honestly, I really miss it, so go ahead and see what we can do. There's our people, boys. They're all sliding over there. It's like perfect here. I'll turn off this traction control. Whip it back. Oh! Oh shit! Oh, it feels like I'm on ice, dude. It's crazy. Oh! Yeah, dude. Alright, so Tanner's dude beside me. We're gonna try tandeming for the first time, so I don't know what. Oh, we're just going? Okay. Keep her going. Oh! Dude! Is this still recording?
Still recording, dog.
I'm gonna try and catch up. I don't even know where straight is. Let's go. Fuck. Dude, this is insane, dude.
Holy fuck, man. All this goddamn space.
Can we show them what Braden got?
Yeah. Show them the special ingredient. The secret ingredient, man.
Oh, dude. I love how you're holding the camera upside down the whole time.
I know. It's perfect. It's totally perfect.
There he is. There's the man of the hour.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Okay, we'll keep the car running. So we all have rear-wheel drive cars, but this man right here in the cab, we got the trays. Get yourself set up, boy. Without the trays? Okay. Oh my God. He has trays and everything in his truck. Yeah, he brought trays from his work.
Rip it.
There they are, dude. The skis, the trays.
Move it up though.
You gotta move it up?
Drive it on the concrete, otherwise it'll just pop right off.
Okay, so I'll just hold this. Dude, that thing's getting mad angle. Hauling ass too, must be all-wheel drive. Keep going, keep going. Okay, you're good, you're good, you're good. We're not gonna give up on the cab. Every winter, we're not gonna give up on it. Okay, go. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Look at him go! Okay, I think I lost them. They're out. They're done. Oh, man. Looking for the trays. Oh, there's one. There's one right there. Oh, there's two. Oh, oh, right on top of it. There's one. And the second one. You can kind of see it's melting. Like, I don't know, like I guess the friction is melting the tray. This happened to us last year and we didn't think much of it this year. But yeah, she's okay, but it's just that we're melting it a little bit. So, I don't know. They're all sliding over there. Man, we spun out. I thought we were gonna make contact.
Oh, dude.
Straight up. I'm like, oh shit. Oh, dude, that was insane, man. Okay, so there goes Jesse in the Beamer.
Dipping out, I'll see you later.
All right, dude, see you guys. Ooh, spun out again, Jesse. Oh, it's way too cold. There we go, dude. That looks sick. Spun out, but that looks sick. Oh, is that door not open? Did you lower the car? No.
Phone fucking stop, bro. And it spins out like a motherfucker and it straightens out like a fucking big boat.
This dude got a bright seat, welded diff.
Like a boat, goddammit. Full steering log boards can't go more than that. Fuck, goddammit. Alright, let's try this again. Round sweep. Hold the AC button down.
See, this shit low.
Press again. Alright, good.
Go round two.
Is that how you turn off traction control?
Yeah, you have to hold it because it's it has like slow track as well, so you just tap it. The electrics don't like to, the electronics in the vehicle don't like to have one wheel spinning faster than the other. Like have them spinning both at the same time, basically. Right? The car can stop without the dip. The electronic side of the car knows that shit. So like,
everyone sideways having a full-on spec conversation about his car.
I ain't never had a full conversation. Goddamn. That steering lock right there. I can't go forward. I need ain't gonna get real bad for this thing. Bro, is this what driving a boat feels like, sir? I ain't never been on no boat. Only boat I've been on was a slip. You know what I'm saying?
What the fuck, this guy?
Down by the river. Oh shit.
Alright, so this is probably gonna be the last run of the night for me. We might probably just might call her a night after, but this is way too much fun. Oh. Well, that was embarrassing. Alright guys, so we just got home. It was super fun to slide the Z again. It kind of makes me miss summer because, I don't know, just driving summertime in the Z is just so much fun, especially sliding with those guys. I feel like after tonight really convinced me that I want to mod the Z more in terms of negative camber in front and maybe a little bit more angle. Not just for winter sliding, which the Z doesn't really need that for winter sliding. You can slide almost anything in the snow. But more of during the summer on dry pavement. To me, it's really fun, and I know every other YouTuber is doing it, but it's something new for me, and I just wish there was more drift events locally. But nevertheless, I want to mod the Z, kind of make it look more of like a Japanese-esque drift car, if that makes sense. Nevertheless, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Anti-Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.